In this tutorial, I am going to be giving you an overview of our database system, Accommodate. At this point, you will be taken to your home page inside of Accommodate. What I'm going to do now is walk you through a brief overview of each of the menu items inside Accommodate. To start with, this is your home page. In the middle of this screen, you will see any important announcements. Please read those before proceeding to any other items inside of Accommodate. The first thing we're going to click on the left is Accommodation. When you click on this, a drop-down menu of accommodation options will appear. In Accessibility Request, you can see the information that you completed on your Request for Services form. In Supplemental, you have the opportunity to request additional accommodations if you think something else is needed. Every semester, you will complete a semester request in order to have a copy of your accommodation letter sent to each of your professors. This is where you will find that information. In accommodation letters, you can see the previous accommodation letters that have been sent to your professors for past semesters. You will also be able to see the status of your current requested accommodation letter if there is one. In Documents, you can see documents and forms from the Student Disability Resource Center. If you have the accommodation Books in Digital Format, also known as CITY, it will appear under Alternative Format. Next, we're going to click on Appointment. This is the screen where you will see where you have requested appointments, approved appointments, and can also request a new appointment. If we click on Resources in Resource Library, you can see any surveys or any other resources that our office has published for you to see. Next, if you have the Note-Taking Assistance accommodation, you will see a Note Taker Network option. This is where you will view notes that have been made available to you. Under Surveys, you will see any surveys that our office has published for you to complete here. Finally, under Profile, you will be able to see any personal or academic information that is applicable here. This is the brief overview of the Accommodate system. Please look out for more detailed tutorials in future videos to come. Thank you.